Okay, we're going to check on our worms and see what they're doing here. I haven't checked on them in a long time. And I think that there's some up in here, maybe. Nope, I think that's just paper. Okay. I brought them outside because honestly, I didn't know how they were doing with this food, and I didn't want there to be any fruit flies that flew out into my house. So I'm actually brought them out on the back patio. And they are look like they're making some good work here. Let's see if I can bring this down here so you can see them a little better. There's a bunch of them right here. Still working on this food. Some apples. I think those are apples. Looks like it's plenty moist in here. Still working on all this. Oh, it's kind of stinky. And it looks like the fruit has some little other bugs on here. Oh, there's all the worms. So it looks like they're all concentrated over in that food corner, which is good. And it looks like they're slowly working on the food in here. There's a bunch over here. Here's a bunch of worms. So it actually looks like the apple slices are taking the longest to eat. It actually looks like almost all the lettuce, they ate all the lettuce. And all they have are these big chunks of apples left. I'm just going to let them keep working on those. I'm not going to feed them anything else today. I'm going to let them just work on those apples. Take care of those. There's a bunch over there. I'm just kind of moving it around to see how much food is still in here. And get some air in there. There's a blueberry right there. There's a kiwi skin. Okay, I think what I've learned is for my apples at least, I will cut them up into smaller chunks when I put them in here. I'm going to go ahead and cover this up. And put this newspaper back on here. Okay, can you still see what I'm doing here? Put this newspaper back on, and I'm gonna just spritz the newspaper a little bit with some water. And put the lid back on. We definitely still have enough food in there. I think I'll wait to give them a new feeding until I can't see those apple chunks anymore. We'll check back in a couple days.